Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the most important MCQ question for class 9. The first question is the SI unit of the speed is km per hour, cm per hour, meter per second, minute per second. Correct answer will be meter per second. Correct answer will be meter per second. Question number 2. Which of the following is a vector quantity? There are two types of the quantities, vector quantity and scalar quantity. Vector quantities are those quantities which need of direction as well as magnitude, but in a scalar quantity only their need of the magnitude. So, option A distance, speed, displacement, time. Distance, speed, and time are the scalar quantity because there is no need of the direction, but displacement is a vector quantity which need of direction as well as the magnitude. So option C is correct. सदिश राशि वह राशि होती है जिसमें दिशा के साथ साथ परिमाण की आवश्यकता होती है, परंतु अदिश राशि वह राशि होती है जिसमें दिशा की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है, केवल परिमाण की आवश्यकता होती है। प्रश्न संख्या 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द स्लोप ऑफ ए डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट एक्सेलरेशन, velocity, speed, force. The correct answer will be speed. Question number 4. The SI unit of force is Joule, Newtons, Watt, Pascal. The correct answer will be Newton. The SI unit of force is Newton. Option B is correct. Joule is the unit of the work. Watt is a unit of the power, and Pascal is the unit of the pressure. Question number 5. According to Newton's first law, a body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion unless acted upon by gravity, external unbalanced force, friction, magnetic force. The correct answer will be external unbalanced force. Option B is correct. Question number 6. The SI unit of the momentum is option A kilogram meter per second, option B Newton प्रति मीटर, option C joule, option D watt. The correct answer will be kilogram meter per second. Question number 7. Which instrument is used to measure the atmospheric pressure? Thermometer, barometer, ammeter, voltmeter. The correct answer will be barometer. Thermometer reads the temperature, barometer reads the pressure, ammeter reads the current, voltmeter reads the voltage. Question 8. The force that pulls object towards the earth is called magnetic force, frictional force, gravitational force, electrostatic force. The correct answer will be gravitational force. Due to gravitational force, the earth object all objects towards its gravity are center. Question 9. The SI unit of the work is Newton, Joule, Watt, Pascal. Just before I tell you about the unit of work will be joule, so option B is correct. As you know that Newton is the unit of the force, Watt is the unit of power, Pascal is the unit of the pressure. So SI unit of work is joule. Question 10. The SI unit of power is joule, Newton, watt, Pascal. The correct answer will be watt. The SI unit of power is watt. Question number 11. Which form of energy does not moving object possess? Potential energy, kinetic energy, chemical energy, heat energy. That will be kinetic energy. Question 12. The energy possessed by an object due to its position is called kinetic energy, potential energy, electrical energy, sound energy. That's energy known as the potential energy. The short form of the potential energy is P. Question number 13. Which of the following is the CGS unit of the force? Newton, Dyne, Joule, Pascal. The correct answer will be Dyne. Dyne is the CGS unit of the forces. Question number 14. The rate of doing work is called energy, force, power and momentum. The correct answer will be power. The rate of doing work is called power. Question 16. Which energy conversion takes place in the hydroelectric power plant? Electric to chemical, potential to electric, heat to sound, chemical to mechanical. The correct answer potential to electrical. Question number 17. The friction force always act in the direction of motion, opposite to the direction of motion, upward only, downward only. The correct answer opposite to the direction of motion. Question 18. Which of the following is an example of the balanced force? Tug of war with equal pull on both sides, falling stone, moving car, accelerating kinetic football. The correct answer will be tug of war with equal pull on both sides. Question 19. The acceleration due to gravity on Earth is approximately 5.8 meter per second square, 8.9 meter per second square, 9.8 meter per second square, 12.8 meter per second square. The correct answer will be 9.8 meter per second square. So option C is correct. गुरुत्वाकर्षण का जो लगभग मान होता है 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर होता है। प्यारे बच्चों, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. Which law state that every action has an equal and opposite reaction? Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, law of gravitation. The correct answer will be Newton's third law. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe the video.